The 2018 Dodge Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, backup camera, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, aluminum wheels, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, rear defrost. Come see the car for yourself.